Okay, you guys, this is the last installment here. And as promised in the last video, because I have like 40 of these making these these dresses. But I'm still honing my process, to be perfectly honest with you. I think I have on the order of 20, maybe 20 plus of the white dress that's coming, that I show that says coming soon, which I will feature here. But not as many as this, though. I could have put that blue text in another position so it isn't sitting on top of the brand and the website. The website there is to my Shopify account, Fringe Dimension. Spelled the same way as the namesake on the screen. Again, this is my last video for this dress. Even though I do have more videos I could post. And like I said, as I promised, all I'm doing here is I'm putting 2 extra buttons on a piece of scrap fabric, and I put it in the top pocket in case the buttons come off. You have 2 extra ones there. Trying to up my game. Blah, blah, blah. Yada, yada, yada. Also in this video, I will show you, and they are in there this time, the ideals that you can use to style a bodycon dress. You know, it would look nice with this one because it has the brown and red and white plaid pockets. A plaid coat. Yeah, a plaid coat. That's what I should have done. Maybe that's what I'll do. Ooh. I mean, because all I have to do is put the pictures in after the fact, and I can always just slap them in there. I might do that. So if you see some women's plaid blazers on here, or bomber jackets, probably just plaid, not bomber jackets, but plaid blazers, just know that I went out and I stuck those in there after the fact to match with the pockets on these dresses. Also, a hat, like a plaid baseball hat, or a plaid clutch, or a plaid purse. But I don't see why a clutch is more elegant. This is like an everyday babysitting, shopping, laundry, picnic piece. So I said plaid, casual plaid blazer. Maybe some plaid tennis shoes like the Donna Karen. Something along those lines. There are the buttons. Let's see. Shoes or boots, plaid. Plaid blazer. Plaid purse, not a clutch, a purse. Even a boho plaid purse, that would be cool. Plaid hat. Yeah. And so I will look for blazers and hats and shoes, and I may insert them in this video, even though you don't see it, so that really doesn't give you any context. Right now, I only have these 3 photos of the women, and then the giveaway and the coming soon illustration. So what I might do after the fact, when you guys see this, I may actually go out and find some blazers and put them in just to show you that as an ideal. Because here you just see the woman standing there. I mean, the boots are cool. She's wearing it right above her thigh. She's got the pose on and everything. Yes, I can go to Pinterest, and I can go to Pinterest and get those photos. So we are past the halfway mark. As I say that this video was 6 minutes long, we are already at the 4-minute mark. So this is the last video. I probably will go out and find those photos, and when you'll probably see them while I'm talking about them. Yeah, because I really want there to be some concrete demonstrations that this can be styled, and you shouldn't feel like you don't know how to style it. So I will find accessories for this dress and the white dress. Matter of fact, it might be commonplace that I do that for all my stuff, because I want to answer that question for you. What are you looking for? Although I wish I had my sister here, because she does have a degree in styling. I have a degree in fashion design. So we are coming up on the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. There is a plaid jacket right there. Maybe I don't need a plaid jacket. See that? That's plaid right there. That's what I'm talking about. And it matches with the pockets. So no, I'm not going to put any plaid photos in here, because that was one right there. Thank you so much for watching again. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.